Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to delete your watch history on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to clear or delete your watch history on YouTube. This is super useful, so all you need to do is go to the bottom right of YouTube and go and click on you just like so on the screen. Here you'll see a few different options. Or one of the rows is called History. Go over to the right and go and click on View All. And you will then go and see your history. What you can do is go and search it if there's just one specific video you wish to go and remove. Go over to the right and click on the three dots and go and click on Remove from Watch History. However, if you want to go and delete all of it and remove all of it, go to the top right of the app and click on the three dots. And you can then click on Clear All Watch History like so. You can then go and confirm your decision by clicking Clear Watch History, and as you can see, it's now all been cleared and deleted.